Cleaning and properly maintaining your AEG Command Wheel Oven is essential to keeping it operating efficiently, increasing the life of the appliance and ensuring that your food tastes delicious. AEG Command Wheel Ovens all have innovative self-cleaning technology, and depending on your model, you will either have a pyrolytic cleaning function or a steam cleaning function. If you are unsure which your oven has, you'll find it in the cleaning menu. Here, we'll summarise the different technologies as well as give you guidance on how to keep the oven and accessories sparkling. Pyrolytic cleaning is a specialist self-cleaning cycle where the oven will reach temperatures of around 500 degrees centigrade, reducing all stubborn dirt, grease and food residue to ash. To start the clean, remove all oven accessories, including the shelf supports, which are removed like this. And give the oven a quick wipe down with warm water and a soft cloth. Enter the menu, followed by cleaning, and then select Pyrolytic. Choose the length of the program based on how deep a clean is required. Press Start to begin. The light will remain off during the cycle and the door will lock to ensure safety. However, make sure the room is well ventilated and that children and pets are kept away from the appliance. Once complete, turn the oven off. The door will remain locked until the oven has cooled, but you can then simply wipe up the ash with a soft cloth. Steam cleaning is another specialist self-cleaning function, which uses hot steam to loosen and release residue from the surface of the oven. It is a simple and efficient way to keep your oven looking and working its best. When the oven is completely cool, remove all oven accessories, including the shelf supports. Give the oven cavity a spray with a specialist oven cleaning detergent, and then wipe with warm water and a soft cloth. Next, remove the water drawer and fill it to max, then secure it again. Turn the oven on, enter the menu, Cleaning, Steam Cleaning, and select either Steam, which is 30 minutes, or Steam Plus, which is more thorough and lasts 75 minutes. Then press Start. During the cycle, follow the instructions on the display. Depending on the option you choose, this may include wiping down the cavity part-way through the cycle. Once complete, wipe down to remove any residue, replace the oven accessories and then leave the door open for an hour, or until fully dry. AEG ovens have an anti-fingerprint coating to reduce the need for wiping down. But if you do want to give the outside of your oven a refresh, or you prefer to clean the cavity manually, then you'll find specialist oven cleaning solutions on the AEG website. This includes an oven and microwave cleaning spray and a stainless steel spray. If you want to remove the oven door, open it fully. Release the metal levers, then close the door to its first hold position. You can then carefully slide it off the hinges. To clean the glass, place the door onto a soft cloth and, holding the trim on both sides, push the buttons to release the trim. You can then remove the panels one by one. Clean the panels with a specialist oven cleaning spray and then dry them with a soft cloth. When replacing the panels, line the glass up with the guides in the frame and make sure the panels are secure and flush. Then push the trim back into place. To replace the door, slide it back onto the hinges. Open it fully, push the levers to their lock position, and then close. When it comes to cleaning oven accessories, the shelf supports, shelves and trays can all be washed in the dishwasher. However, we recommend washing telescopic runners and the food sensor by hand as they are more sensitive. You'll find additional information on cleaning and maintaining your oven in the user manual. Or if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.